Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm so excited. I hope you all are doing well in 2020. Did I get a she shed? Is that what I heard? Did I get a she shed? You know that commercial on, what is that? I don't know if it's a Geico commercial or what is it, but it's Cheryl's she shed that got hit by lightning. Yeah, I've been watching that. I've been envious of Cheryl and her she shed. So hubby and I went to Home Depot the other day looking for something else, and we saw a shed. So stick around and see if I got a she shed or not, or if I'm going to get a she shed. So let's see. So we're out here now looking at these sheds. Now hubby wants to go inside and check it out to see if it's anything he wants. I told him this could be a great she shed for me. I'm looking for a nice she shed. We were talking about building a shed in the back of the house. So now he's looking at this thing. All I know is it would help to get all of that crap out of the garage. And there's more and more and more of it that just goes in. And even though we take stuff out, or I insist on taking things out, every time I look, there's something else out there. Not even that, just, oh my God. Let's not even talk about the basement. So I'm surprised he hasn't looked at these snow blowers, because ours is not working right now, and we've been talking about getting a new one. So hey, I'm looking at the snow blowers. And he's over there, I guess, doing measurements or something. Anyway, in the long run, it'll be a big help if we get that. I would insist that none of the crap that's in the garage ever come back into the garage, and maybe we can park a car in there again. We'll see. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you so much. So no, I didn't get a she shed, at least not yet anyway. But hopefully we will get a shed, and we can get some of the crap out of the garage and out of the basement. So thanks so much. I hope you're doing well. For my returning friends, thank you so much. And for my new friends, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and come back and join us on Life on Greenwood. I appreciate you. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.